It's simple to generate a table of contents, or TOC, in Word as long as my document uses headings that Word will recognize and pick up for the TOC. Here's what I mean. To generate the TOC, Word looks for text in the document that's styled or marked a certain way. By default, Word looks for headings that have the built-in heading styles applied. I find these styles on the Home tab in the Styles gallery, and they're called Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and so on up through Heading 9. In this document, I've applied those styles to the headings. This is a Heading 1, this is a Heading 2. So I'm ready to generate the TOC. Note, in the upcoming videos, I'll talk more about how to prepare headings before generating the TOC. Now, to create the TOC, I'll press Ctrl plus Home to place the cursor at the start of the document where I want the TOC to go. Then I click the References tab, Table of Contents. I can choose from two automatic styles on the Table of Contents menu. I'll click Automatic Table 1. Word generates the TOC. The TOC contains headings for each part of the document, as well as page numbers. Also, each item in the TOC is linked to its section of the document, as this tooltip shows. To demonstrate, I'll press Ctrl and click this link to move to the Sales Proposal section, and I'm there. Another method for generating the TOC is to click Table of Contents, and instead of clicking an automatic style, click Insert Table of Contents at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Table of Contents options, where I can change settings and then generate or replace a TOC. For instance, if I wanted to include only the top level headings in the TOC, I'd change the number in Show Levels here, from 3 levels to 1. When I click OK, I'm prompted to replace the current TOC, and I click Yes. Here's the new TOC showing only the first level headings. If I add content to the document, such as this new appendix, I'll need to update the TOC to include the new section. I'll press Ctrl plus Home to get to the start of the document and the current TOC. I can update the table in 3 different ways. This TOC is contained in a box that has a tab at the top, and on the tab is the Update Table command. I'll click the command. I'm prompted with 2 choices: to update only the page numbers or to update the whole table. I want the new appendix to be included, so I'll update the whole table. Now, in the updated TOC, the appendix section is included at the bottom. This container and tab are part of the TOC if I've generated it using one of the automatic styles, meaning these, the ones at the top of the Table of Contents menu. Another way to update the table is to click inside it and press F9. And a third way is to click the References tab and click Update Table. Note that I don't have to have the cursor in the TOC to run this command. Up next, see how to prepare document headings before you generate the TOC.